Hello to our Makerspace users. This will be a short instructional video on how to create a button template for our button maker. First, I'm searching up free button design template on Google. The first result that should pop up is from the buttonmakers.net website. This website will have free downloadable templates for various button sizes. If you scroll down, there will be a chart full of different button sizes and their files. The button maker in our Makerspace creates 2-inch buttons, and so I'll be looking to download the PSD files for the 2-inch buttons. All you have to do is click on the box with the Photoshop logo and it should download 2 PSD files in a zip file. There are instructional videos on this website on how to use these button templates on Adobe Photoshop and a free Photoshop alternative named Photopea. This video is a shortened version of their Photopea video, but if you would like a more in-depth tutorial, please visit their video as well. If you scroll up, you'll be able to find a link to photopea.com. Once you open up Photopea, you'll click on Open from Computer and find the files that we downloaded earlier. There will be 2 files, but we will open up the 200.psd file first. Once your file loads, you'll find all the layers on the right side of the screen. The layers that I'm deleting, you could actually replace and edit and use it as a guide, but if not needed and you already have an image ready, you could just delete them and get them out of your way. And so here we have 3 layers left: the face line delete before layer, the cut lines layer, and the red circle background layer. Now to insert your image, click on File and Open in Place and open up the image that you'll be using. So here I'm just adjusting my image to fit where I want it to. Please keep in mind that everything on the front of your button will be within the face lines, and then everything in the cut lines will be showing on the side and be mostly tucked behind. So now basically what we want to do is have our image to fit inside of the red circle area only. And so we can do this through doing a clipping mask. In order to do a clipping mask, we must select 2 layers, one being our image layer and then one being the red circle background layer. To select 2 layers on a Mac, you can press on your command button on your keyboard and then select your 2 layers, and on a Windows, you can press on the control button and then select your 2 layers. Once we have selected the 2 layers, now we can link them together. If you go to the bottom of your screen, there will be a button that says Link Layers. You will be able to tell that you successfully linked your 2 layers together if you can see the link icon on each of the layers. Now you can just select your image layer and then do a right click, and then if you move down, you'll be able to see the clipping mask option. If you click that, it'll do its magic. And now your button is almost complete, but please remember to either delete the face line delete before layer, or you can just press on the eye beside it, which will make it invisible. Now we'll be turning our button into a pattern. If you click on Edit and then go down to Define New, if you hover over it or click on it, on the side there should be an option to press Pattern. Now you can click on File and open up the 200page.psd file, and it should open up in a separate tab. We'll be deleting the instructions layer. Now in order to replace these button makers buttons with our own buttons, we'll go to Edit, press Fill. If you click on the foreground with the arrow and you scroll all the way down, there will be a pattern option. Beside the pattern will pop up an image box. If you press on that, you'll be able to find your button image. Just press on that and click OK. And then you should replace all those button maker buttons with your own button. Then you can save this file and export it as a JPEG. To print this file, open a new project and open a letter size 8.5 inch by 11 inch file. This will allow the buttons to fit better. Click on File and Open in Place and find your button JPEG. Now you can save this file, export it as a JPEG, and it's ready to print. This is just a quick and easy way to create free button templates, and it's perfect for anyone who doesn't have Photoshop at home. Photopea will work just great for this project. Happy button making and hope to see you at our Makerspace.